Nakusp. Nakusp is a small town or a village in British Columbia. The village of Nakusp is beside the mouth of Kuskanax Creek on the Upper Arrow Lake in the West Kootenay region of southeastern British Columbia. The village is known for its nearby hot springs and picturesque mountains lakeside setting. Vibrant forest makes British Columbia a playground for nature lovers. Camping in Nakusp, from rustic to luxurious, crackling bonfires, lake tips, fishing, and wildlife viewing awaits campers in Nakusp. You can choose an adventure that feeds your soul. Provincial National Park. Soaking in a hot spring, or strolling through an interpretive forest. Nakusp are perched on the edge of wilderness, so you don't need to go far to reap the rejuvenating benefits of nature, or go remote and be rewarded with a vista all by yourself. You don't need to look for nature, because where you go, flourishing nature awaits you. The waterfalls and river remains unharmed. People hiking leave no trace to preserve and minimize your impact on the landscape. I cross a poetry upon searching Nakusp. It says, Thoreau said, a walk change the walker. The rainforest changes the man. It changes the woman. Some were born with rivers in their blood. Their ancestors spoke to raven and bear, spoke to wolf and otter and blackfish, spoke to salmon and eagles and frog and heron. You speak to them too, and they talk back. Sometimes you're close to grasping what they say. That's one way the rainforest changes you. One day, at a dusk, a bear walks through the eye of the camera. The old ones claim the man lives in a bear. You tell no one a bear lives inside a man. There are weeks in the forest when your whole body is a word even you can't utter, but the trees in their deep listening hear. It was an interesting poetry about Nakusp. Well, there is another one though. It's about wolves. So here we go. The wilderness in you has gone out to meet the wolves who are hunting along the shore. You can't see this wayward part of you, the way you see your breath in winter, but you feel the bite of canine teeth, as if you now live in the throat of a stick-horned deer. You're never understood before what beauty means, how it blasts the blood and leaves you shaken, demanding more than you can ever in this human body be.
It's even Maggie.
Dreaming here, laying on. Yelly wa mama, my love. Yelly wa mama, my love. Yeah, I love you now. Right now, this is my sad way. She called me daddy, I call her down, down. Every day I meet her, loving my girl, I love ya, girl.